Excuse me?
Excuse me. I'm coming through. You're so cute.
She's coughing on me. She's coughing on me.
No,
yes.
look at you guys. You're so cute.
You're such a Karen.
Okay, whatever. You're such sheep.
Why don't you have a mask on?
Because I don't need to have one on. I'm not sick, and neither are you.
Okay, but you don't have to be coughing or something.
You don't know who's sick or not.
Can you put
It's
a
my
mask?
allergy.
You
I
don't
have
know who's sick
allergies.
or not by looking
Oh,
at
you
somebody.
yeah.
You
And
don't.
so 2 years ago, before anybody started talking about COVID, you were okay with that, though, going out not knowing you were sick, right?
You don't know anything
Right?
about my health.
I don't.
Yeah, she's coughing on me.
I have my allergies, and she got all freaked out because I'm coughing.
No, she's coughing.
How do you know? You don't know, and she just said I don't know anything about her health. You don't know anything about my health. Maybe I have a medical
Okay, everybody.
release. I don't need to wear a mask.
Okay,
I
fine.
have a,
Why don't you have a mask on?
because I don't need to have one on. I'm not sick, and neither are you.
You don't know who's sick or not.
I have allergies. Oh, yeah. And so 2 years ago, before anybody started talking.
Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. What you saw here was a woman film coughing on supermarket shoppers get sacked from her IT job. That's right folks, a Karen who was filmed deliberately coughing on shoppers inside a supermarket has been sacked after footage of her vile act went viral. The shopper, later identified as Janine Hoskovic, was shown approaching several customers in a Super Saver supermarket in the U.S. Midwestern state of Nebraska on September the 7th. Miss Hoskovic was filmed barging towards a woman unnecessarily while audibly coughing in her direction, saying, "Excuse me, I'm coming through." In the video, she smiled while opening mouth coughing towards the group before telling them they were killed for wearing masks. The Twitter user shared the video saying his mum filmed the distressing encounter, which includes Miss Hoskovic following the group throughout the store. He said even after a store employee told Miss Hoskovic to stop, she continued to torment them. Miss Hoskovic told the group she wasn't wearing a mask because she didn't need one, and argued they didn't need to be wearing one either. After calling them sheep, she approached them to cough in their direction again while laughing and claimed that she had allergies. Viewers of the video, which has been viewed millions of times on Twitter, managed to find out not only her identity but also that she worked for an IT company, SAP, as a client partner. Once the company based in U.S. state of Arizona caught wind of her discussing it, announced she had been let go. The health and safety of our employees and the community in which we live and work are utmost concern to us. We're taking the matter of an SAP employee incident very seriously and are investigating the situation. Tweet from the company read. In an update shared later, it said after reviewing the incident, it could confirm that the individual in question no longer works for SAP. Up to close to 8,000 people responded to the video, lambasting the woman over the unnecessary confrontation. "I don't condone violence, but if someone cough on me like that, we're going to jail," one person responded. She made a point of being physically aggressive to fronting and deliberately expose them to whatever bug she might had, another person wrote. There was a similar case inside a Florida supermarket earlier this year, which resulted in the offender being sentenced to 30 days in jail and 6 months probation period. She also ordered to pay $500 and the cost of her victim's COVID test. It's unclear if Ms. Hoskovic will face criminal charges. What do you reckon, folks, of this Karen who just go out and just cough at people? Let your thoughts know in the comments section. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hope you have a good day.